Hey there, it's James from UserLoop here. I wanted to give you a quick preview of the all-new analytics that we just launched in UserLoop. So we've been working with tons of merchants on the platform, getting all your feedback into what would make analytics work better for you. And we're really excited to share with you what it looks like today. We've tried to implement AI as much as possible to help you analyze customer feedback at scale, and also to link customer feedback more deeply with order contents to help you build those customer segments of high value customers and work out what products particular customers are buying. So let's just dive into UserLoop and take a quick look at how it works now. Okay, so I've logged into UserLoop here and I've come straight to the new analytics section. So you notice we've actually moved analytics into the main left navigation to help you find it easier. When you get in here, you'll be able to select the date range you want and also pick from all of your surveys which one you want to analyze. You get a couple of key statistics at the top, just overall number of customers who responded and the response rates. But underneath, you'll see you actually get all of your questions automatically load in with all of the response data for each one by default. And for each one, you've got the question, the list of answers that customers could choose, what percentage of customers chose those, and also the average order value and the total sales volume for each answer option as well. So it gives you a really, really quick overview to say, okay, what options are the most popular, and also what are the different characteristics of those customers who've chosen each option. So how much are they spending in my store? What's their average spend? A new thing that we've added is that you can dive into any of these further. So if you want to see for the customers who said, how did you hear about us? For the people who came from social media, if we click on that row, it will open up a new view which shows you the customers, their AOV, their sales, but also shows you what products those customers purchase the most often. So this is really useful for working out for particular sales channels or profiles of customers, what are they actually buying in your store. And also if there's UTM data available, we'll show that on here as well. So if you're looking to kind of compare traffic from what UTM data says to what survey data says, you'll be able to see that on here as well. So really, really useful to be able to compare those. The other big change is for open-ended questions. So here you'll see we've got an open-ended question, which is what other products are part of your beauty routine? So this is where customers are going to type in their own response. And if we hit this new Analyze button here, UserLoop's going to go away and read all of those customer responses and group them by topic. It'll also work out the AOV and sales volume for each topic as well. So here we can see we've got it broken down into like sun protection, makeup, exfoliation, and that's just from the AI reading all of those customer responses. And again, we've got the AOV and volume for those as well. And if we want, we can dive down deeper into these. So for customers who said sun protection, if we click on that row, UserLoop will then load in all the actual customer responses so you can see the full context of what the customer said. Obviously, we've summarized it as being sun protection, and you can go in and see exactly what the customer said, which is really, really nice. We also have that same summary feature for other responses. So if you've got a question like this where there's an other response, you can hit the summarize button and UserLoop will go and read all those other responses and build you that same chart so that you can see a quick overview of all the other answers that customers have typed in manually. This is really, really powerful when you've got thousands and thousands of customer responses and you want to build a report of what are the key topics that customers are talking about, which ones have the highest AOV and spend. Well, now it's all automated. Basically, the AI can put that report together for you, which is really, really nice. So that is just a super, super quick introduction to the new analytics. The other bits are still the same. So in the top right, you can still open up your archived questions and follow-ups and do your data exports and everything. But that is just a very, very quick introduction and an overview to the all new analytics. We're going to continue making changes to this. So if you do have any feedback, hit the chat button in the bottom right and let us know. But we hope you find it super useful. Thanks very much.